anyone else coming? Is anyone else coming? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Is it close? Is it close? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Is it hot? Is it hot? Is it nearby? Is it nearby? Is it possible? Is it possible? Is it raining? Is it raining? Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it supposed to rain tomorrow? Is it supposed to rain tomorrow? Is John here? Is John here? Is John there, please? Is John there, please? Is Mr. Smith an American? Is Mr. Smith an American? Is that enough? Is that enough? Is that okay? Is that okay? Is the bank far? Is the bank far? Is there a movie theater nearby? Is there a movie theater nearby? Is there a restaurant in the hotel? Is there a restaurant in the hotel? Is there a store near here? Is there a store near here? Is there air conditioning in the room? Is there air conditioning in the room? Is there an English-speaking guide? Is there an English-speaking guide? Is there any mail for me? Is there any mail for me? Is there anything cheaper? Is there anything cheaper? Is this a safe area? Is this a safe area? Is this pen yours? Is this pen yours? Is this the bus to New York? Is this the bus to New York? Is this your book? Is this your book? Is your father home? Is your father home? Is your house like this one? Is your house like this one? Is your husband also from Boston? Is your husband also from Boston? Is your son here? Is your son here? Isn't it? Isn't it? I'll have a cup of tea, please. I'll have a cup of tea, please. I'll have a glass of water, please. I'll have a glass of water, please. I'll have the same thing. I'll have the same thing. I'll pay for dinner. I'll pay for dinner. I'll pay for the tickets. I'll pay for the tickets. I'll pay. I'll pay. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take that one also. I'll take that one also. I'll take you to the bus stop. I'll take you to the bus stop. I'll talk to you soon. I'll talk to you soon. I'll teach you. I'll teach you. I'll tell him you called. I'll tell him you called. I'm 26 years old. I'm 26 years old. I'm 32. I'm 32. I'm 6'2". I'm 6'2". I'm a beginner. I'm a beginner. I'm a size 8. I'm a size 8. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm allergic to seafood. I'm allergic to seafood. I'm American. I'm American. I'm an American. I'm an American. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm coming right now. I'm coming right now. I'm coming to pick you up. I'm coming to pick you up. I'm fine. And you? I'm fine. And you? I'm from America. I'm from America. I'm full. I'm full. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm going home in 4 days. I'm going home in 4 days. I'm going to America next year. I'm going to America next year. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I'm going to go have dinner. I'm going to go have dinner. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. I'm good. And you? I'm good. And you? I'm good. I'm good. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm here on business. I'm here on business. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm looking for the post office. I'm looking for the post office. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm married. I'm married. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not American. I'm not American. I'm not busy. I'm not busy. I'm not going. I'm not going. I'm not married. I'm not married. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm on hold. I'm on hold. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm self-employed. I'm self-employed. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm single. I'm single. I'm sorry, we're sold out. I'm sorry, we're sold out. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm very busy. I'm very busy. I'm very busy. I don't have time now. I'm very busy. I don't have time now. I'm very well, thank you. I'm very well, thank you. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I'm worried too. I'm worried too. In 30 minutes. In 30 minutes. It costs $20 per hour. It costs $20 per hour. It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather. It hurts here. It hurts here. It rained very hard today. It rained very hard today. It takes 2 hours by car. It takes 2 hours by car. It will arrive shortly. It will arrive shortly. It'll be cold this evening. It'll be cold this evening. It's 11:30. It's 11:30. It's $17. It's $17. It's 6. It's 6. It's 8:45. It's 8:45. It's 6:45. It's 6:45. It's August 25th. It's August 25th. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's far from here. It's far from here. It's going to be hot today. It's going to be hot today. It's going to snow today. It's going to snow today. It's 11:30. It's 11:30. It's here. It's here. It's 9:15. It's 9:15. It's less than $5. It's less than $5. It's longer than 2 miles. It's longer than 2 miles. It's mine. It's mine. It's more than $5. It's more than $5. It's near the supermarket. It's near the supermarket. It's north of here. It's north of here. It's not supposed to rain today. It's not supposed to rain today. It's not too far. It's not too far. It's not very expensive. It's not very expensive. It's okay. It's okay. It's on 7th Street. It's on 7th Street. It's over there. It's over there. It's raining. It's raining. It's really hot. It's really hot. It's shorter than 3 miles. It's shorter than 3 miles. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's there. It's there. It's too late. It's too late. It's very cold today. It's very cold today. It's very important. It's very important. It's very windy. It's very windy.